So as you can see, this connector I got here is broken. What I will try to do is to replace this connector. Let me just focus on that. So I got here a good connector from a broken LCD. I will try to use that. Now first thing you want to do is to unglue the ribbon cable from the LCD, and you want to put it like this. Disconnect the touchscreen, of course, and then you will take this tweezer, I don't know how do you call it. You will want to use this tab that closes itself, so it will hold you the connector. I'll just put a bad motherboard here in order not to damage my working table, and I will use this kind of solution. I don't know how do you call it. This is used for soldering. So let's begin. So as I said, I will use hot air to remove this connector first. Now when you remove the connector from the bad LCD, you will want to hit it from the bottom, because you don't want to damage the plastic. So I will put it here on the edge of the table, and I'll go with my hot air here under it and take it out. So that's the connector. I can now throw this away, I don't need it anymore. Now the last thing you want to do is to put this connector here. So I will use one more time the edge of the table, because I will go with hot air from the bottom in order not to damage the connector again. So I'll put some more of this solution for soldering. And then just align this here. Now theoretically, when you will use heat, it will align itself. So let's try, see what we get. So let's check this out. It seems pretty good to me. I don't know if you can see. Here it is. It looks almost perfect. Look at that. Look at that baby. So I will just pause the video, leave this here, and I will search for a phone so we can test this out. I think I got a phone for testing it out, so I'll just turn it off, remove the battery, disconnect the LCD, and now I will try to unglue that. I will use a card, a playing card, in order not to damage the LCD. So now let's connect the touchscreen. And let's try it out. As you can see, it is a little bit burned on the bottom, but that's no problem at all. Let's just put this baby to work. I'll just clean it with a little bit of alcohol. Because it's not getting inside. So I'll just clean it a bit. So let's try again. I'll try to connect it the other side. Let's see, I have forced it a little bit inside. See if we got any image. There you go. I think I will just need to clean it up a bit more because it's not getting inside very well. So let's try the touchscreen. As you can see, it is working properly. I got a burn right here. The polarizer is a little bit burned out, but as you can see here, but there's no problem. I just want to see if it is working well. I'll just leave a dot here. So as you can see, it is working perfect. I'll just clean it a bit more and I'll use this baby. So I hope you guys repaired your LCD too. I hope you got the same result as me. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.